What is going on, guys? I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm incredibly excited because it is finally time to go to Monterey Car Week. We are taking the 600 LT and the Supra. We got Idolo riding with me, Jake driving the Supra. I can't believe it has been 2 years since we were last at Car Week. This can't come soon enough. So we are linking up with a rally that went from Orange County and is going all the way up to Monterey. It's a combination of 2 rallies, New Rally and Hyper Rally, that I've been on before. So I'm super excited for that. Should be a ton of cool cars. Now, right as I'm speaking, Lamborghini just accidentally leaked teaser pics of the new Countach. I imagine by the time I'm posting this video, there's gonna be more information about it, so I'll toss that up on the screen. But what we know so far is it's celebrating the 50th anniversary of the original Countach. It's a hybrid, it's got about 800 horsepower. It's a little over $2 million. Let me know what you guys think of it, looks-wise, in the comments below. Hopefully we'll get to see one in person, maybe at the Quail. Whoa! Oh my God. Well, as we wait for the other cars to show up, check out this Nissan GTR. Look at the tires on this thing. Apparently 830 horsepower to the wheels. Nice wide body Urus pulling up. Here we go, some more cars rolling up. Beautiful black SVJ. Ooh, that S8 is sexy. Look at this wrap on the 570. Oh, that looks epic. Woo! Wow, green car gang, let's go. Damn, that wing though. Check out this spec on this 458 Speciale. This is absolutely sick. Hello. Got a pretty sweet group of cars going on for this rally up to Monterey. They're trying to convince them to give us a police escort. This is amazing. All right, guys, it is finally time to hit the road. That Urus is so wide. Oh, that SV is incredible. Oh my God. Oh my God. First cop detected. The international cop symbol. Of all people, the cop decided to pull over a minivan. How amazing is that? Another gorgeous day. Well, it's official. Apparently you can't be a supercar owner unless you park like absolute. Look at all of this. That one's over the line, that one's over the line. I'm partially over the line, this is over the line. Chaz, how's the drive up?
Hey man, I did what I can do in the little Accord.
You're keeping up, dude.
Hey man, I did what I had to do.
How was it in the Supra?
Fun, that thing's fast.
It is pretty fast.
It's great.
This thing, this SV absolutely destroyed everyone. And this is one of the hardest cars to drive in traffic. Doing a quick fuel stop with all of the cars. Now the fuel run rally is actually really close by. So the plan is to link up with all of those cars. This guy is losing it over all these supercars at the gas station. On the road again. Oh my God. Damn, nice load. Wow. Spectacular out. Oh, tunnel run. Oh my God! It doesn't get much better than an SV and a GT3 in a tunnel at the same time. There we go, stumbled upon a random Performante Spider. We got a mirror in the 720S, the carb is. Well, unfortunately, it seems like we have a serious problem with the Toyota Supra. It's making a really weird, loud whining noise when you're just slightly on the gas. It almost sounds like it's supercharged. So we're not positive, but we think that the charge pipe blew off or cracked a little bit. It's a little bit wobbly down here. Unfortunately, I don't have the tools or really the space to get to that, but hopefully we can just drive it on low boost and put it to Monterey, so at least we can get there and then figure out what's actually wrong with it. Hopefully it is just a charge pipe issues. It wouldn't be Monterey Car Week without something crazy going wrong on the first day. 2 years ago when I got the Speciale Aperta and brought it to Monterey Car Week, the whole under tray fell off. So now we got some sort of weird issue with the Supra. Amazing. But all jokes aside, hopefully it's fine. Did you guys hear that? My Supra Hellcat. Well, so far so good. Bunch of fuel run cars. How is that for a view? Wow. Wow, that baby blue SVJ is amazing. Check out this purple E36 too. Look how sick this Black Series is. Wow. Look at the wing on this. Damn, this RS3 is clean. Damn. How gorgeous is this stop-off point? Absolutely spectacular. Some of the cars are rolling out, the others are finishing up eating. Check out this beautiful E60 M5 with carbon absolutely everywhere. Even the barrels of the wheels. This matte white SVJ Roadster is spectacular. Wow. Beautiful 765. Check out the spec on this 600. I'm loving the gold wheels. Nice Ferrari 599. Look at this, my old editor and filmer Frankie from Michigan randomly next to us, loaded up with cameras. Anything for the shot. Wow, look at the fog through the trees. That looks amazing. Hello. This is incredible. Let's go, Frankie. If you guys get the opportunity to, I highly recommend driving the Pacific Coast Highway from Southern California all the way up to Northern California. The views are absolutely insane, and there's some really awesome twisty sections as well. Look at that road. How is this for California gas prices? $8.49 a gallon. That is actually highway robbery. Now, it's definitely not worth $9 a gallon, but this view is pretty badass. Oh, we got a Karen. She just stopped an entire lineup of supercars to ask if anyone had a cigarette in the middle of the highway. 10 minutes out from downtown Carmel right now. It's been one heck of a 6.5 hour drive, but we should start seeing some really cool cars in the next couple minutes. Oh, that Countach. Oh man, the Supra is spewing white smoke. That is not good. Well, the good news is we made it to Monterey. The bad news is the Supra might be screwed. Nice Alpina Z8. Look at this, another gorgeous AMG GT Black Series. Another stunning Alpina, wow. Gonna grab some food because I'm absolutely starving, but check this out. Street Parked Ford GT. Look at this lime green Cullinan. I definitely have never seen a Cullinan in this color before. We honestly can't tell if it's a wrap or paint. They did a really good job if it is wrapped. Like I said in the past, one of my favorite parts about Monterey Car Week is all the cool stuff that you can do for free, especially car spotting. Literally every place you can possibly imagine. But one of the best places, if you're coming to Car Week next year, or you watch this video and you're running up to Car Week, is Ocean Avenue in downtown Carmel. So we are headed there now because there are some crazy cars that always patrol Ocean Avenue. Check this thing out. Beautiful Pista Spider. Black Series with a white Senna behind it. Gorgeous Porsche. Wow. Spec goals. Gorgeous Porsche. Old GT350. Damn, that's some prime Ocean Avenue seating up there. Absolutely sick spec on this Speciale. Wow. Ted Sevens Fiat 500. Look at this Prius. Check that wing out. Wow, this GT3 RS is gorgeous with the Manthe Racing sticker. So I wonder if this thing has modified. Wait a minute. Look at the interior. It's got plaid on the seats. False alarm, it's just a blanket. Beautiful Huracan STO. Damn. Clean M5. The cop presence this year on Ocean Avenue is insane. That's why there's a heck of a lot less cars. Literally every other car is either a cop motorcycle or an SUV. Beautiful 2RS. Whew. The presence of these things. All right, these awesome car spotters just alerted me of this. Look at that. White McLaren F1. That is sick. All right, where else can you see a $20 million car casually driven on the road? Wow. That is incredible. All right, right, that's definitely the highlight of the day. Well guys, there you have it. What an incredible first day headed to Monterey Car Week. Unfortunately, I'm not quite sure what's going on with the Supra, but hopefully by the end of the weekend we can get it resolved. But one thing's for sure, there's going to be some epic car content coming the next few days. So if you're not subscribed already, smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I look forward to seeing you next video.